Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by fixing what's most likely. Power off, remove SIM1, inspect and reseat it carefully. Tiny debris or a misaligned tray causes many faults. Once done, power on, toggle airplane mode, and test with a second working SIM so you isolate the phone versus the card. Make sure the device isn't network locked by your carrier and confirm IMEI shows in settings. If the IMEI is missing, stop and note the exact error for the next steps. Next, you dig into network and software causes. Manually select your carrier in network settings to rule out automatic selection failure, and then reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. You should install any carrier settings updates and update the baseband or modem firmware plus the OS because radio fixes often arrive in patches. Review APN entries for correct values, ask carrier to reprovision the SIM, and if uncertain, test that SIM1 in a different phone to separate hardware from provisioning problems. Finish by eliminating the remaining possibilities. If the SIM still shows not allowed, have your carrier replace or reissue the SIM and confirm provisioning on their side. Only after you back up your data should you perform a factory reset. This removes software corruption but erases content. If none of that works, escalate with your carrier and provide IMEI, SIM ICSID, and a timeline. That single troubleshooting tip, collecting precise logs and codes, speeds resolution and avoids repeated basic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.